What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video 10 I think it is, and today's video is purely just to get number 10 out the way, tune into what's been happening today. So I just got back to Melbourne from Ballarat. It was a couple hours drive. Just checked into a new apartment we have here. Cool little place. Got my business partner Adam, he's just in the shower. At the moment we're about to go catch up with some friends to Taco Bill's Mexican restaurant, and then maybe have a couple of drinks, something to eat. There's a little view out here. So we go to the other room. Let's have a look. It's our view. Not too bad. And I thought, well, if I don't get the video done now for my day 10, I probably won't do one because we're going to be heading out. So this is it. I don't really know what the topic is, but I guess we can talk a little bit about what's coming up. And yeah, oh, I got a haircut today. So I got a new cut today. Funny enough, actually that's going to be the topic. Let's talk about barbers. If you're a barber out there or a hairdresser, well, I don't know how this happens. Like, I'm not a hairdresser, I'm not a barber, but it's easy to see when a cut is decent or not. So my haircut today, I went to a new place I've never been because I just got back into Melbourne, and I paid $50 for this haircut. Okay, that's fine if it's great. You know, I had no head massage, I had no fancy shampoos, that was just a normal cut, right? And I'm gonna try and get a photo of this. I don't know if I took a photo before I got it fixed up, but my hair was like a mess. It was like I'd been shaved here zero, and there was no fade. It was just like a fat line, and I had to go, hey, Adam just got out of the shower. Hey.
Saw my nipples.
It just saw his nipples. So as I was saying, I'm not a barber, but this line was so obvious. And I paid $50 for this haircut. It's crazy. So barbers out there, if you're going to be cutting hair, learn how to cut hair, and please don't charge $50 if you're not cutting it properly, because that's a rip-off. So I had to go to another barber and pay $38 to get it all fixed up. That's my story of the day. Had no real intense topic to talk about today, so I just wanted to get on, share that, and that's about it. If you guys probably follow me on Instagram, you probably can see the boys a bit later on. We'll be at Taco Bill's, it's Mexican. I probably have a couple of drinks, something to eat. We're almost come to an end. So Adam and I, obviously we're business partners with Six Figure Mentors, our online business. We work together. We've been out here doing this project in Victoria for the last 3.5 weeks together. And then we're heading to South Africa together, and we're heading to London together in the next few weeks. So plenty more coming from us. But yeah, guys, if you're not following us, Daniel Colosi, at Daniel_Colosi on Instagram. And you probably see us a little bit more live, behind the scenes, day-to-day life. You definitely want to see us when we're in South Africa, because we're going to be playing with, we're doing a safari tour, and we're going to be playing with lion cubs and all that kind of stuff, which I'm extremely excited about, because I've wanted to do that my whole entire life. I still remember when I was a little kid that I wanted to do the safari tour. So finally, another thing ticked off the bucket list, and really looking forward to that. That's going to be fantastic. So the beauty, again, I'm going to bring it up, the beauty of having an online business, that you got to take your office anywhere. So guys, if you haven't yet, click that button below, do your trial. You got nothing to lose. Join us on the safari tours, join us in London, join us on these travels around the world, because we literally all become best friends. Like Adam and I met through business. All the guys in South Africa and London that you're going to meet in the next couple of weeks, we all met through business. We literally have all become best friends. We travel the world together, living our dream life. So go ahead and click that button, guys. I'm not going to push you too much, but it is there. And that's it for today. reply to the email, leave us a comment, like, share, subscribe, do all the things, the typical stuff. And guys, I'm not getting many people. Are they naked? Well, I think someone's naked on the roof next door. I was going to put the camera on there, but I better not. It's a bit of invasion of privacy. Whoops. Leave me some comments. Leave me some questions. Anything you want to know. Any questions you want me to answer. Any topics you want me to talk about. Anything at all. It doesn't have to be business related. It just can be anything to do with life, relationships, business, just general life, travel tips, anything at all. Feel free to shoot me a question and give me a topic to talk about on the next video. I might even get Adam on one of our videos. We do a bit of a collaboration. Hey Adam, what do you reckon?
What?
We need to do some more collaborations actually.
Yeah.
We need to do some more. Anyway guys, talking too much, over and out. See you tomorrow on video 11.